Hi, I'm Erik Post, Senior CSM with Dealer Socket. Today I want to talk about the evolution of desking a deal, penciling a deal. Behind me I've got the Foursquare. I grew up in the car business using a Foursquare. You're probably at your dealership still at least talking about Foursquares, if not still using them. Foursquares are great because they help eliminate objections that customers have when they're buying a car. They also do two things. They help us focus on the house's money and the customer's money. But why would we want to put our money out there front and center for the customer to focus on that? We always tell our salespeople, focus on their money, focus on the payment. How do we focus on the payment while maintaining a sense of professionalism and a sense of transparency? We do that by implementing a desking tool tied to a CRM. The desking tool allows you to print out a matrix of 32 payments, 16 purchase, 16 lease payments. Dealership logo at the top, it feels professional, it feels transparent, and oh, by the way, when a customer has more options, they're more likely to make a decision. Over here, we're only presenting the customer with one payment choice. I don't know about you, but that sounds like the better option. That sounds like a dealership that is trying to model their processes to how customers are buying cars today, not trying to fit customers into how I want to sell cars. If you have questions about implementing a desking tool into your dealership, reach out to your CSM. And if you'd like to implement better processes with the desking tool you already have, do so as well.